everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's Celeste here. So I am part of a swap and glue collaboration club. I don't quite know what to call it exactly, but collaboration, I suppose, is a good word. And so I have done 2 swap and glues so far. This is my 3rd one, and this is one with Penny from Penny's Crafty Creations, and these little mushrooms that she always decorates her envelopes with are just gorgeous. They're just the cutest thing. I know exactly who, before I even look at the address, I know exactly who sent me something when I see these, because they've like her signature. I just love them. They're so cute. So she has sent me some collage papers, and I have peeked. Going to be honest, I did peek inside. So it's from Penny's Crafty Creations. Beautiful. I think this is washi, probably. And she always has this really, I think, wonderful message. And she says, thank you, postal workers. So I really like that she acknowledges their hard work. So let's look at what she sent. Take this out. And she says, Celeste, thank you for swapping with me. Love, Penny. And thank you, Penny, for swapping with me, because Penny's already done a video with the little swap papers that I sent to her. So starting out, she's got this nice base, nice crisp white base. That's always nice and useful, that I could use to actually do a collage on even. And then some book pages. And I was thinking of maybe coffee staining or tea dyeing this page. I don't know if I'm going to use it in this collage, but maybe in a future project. This looks so dreamy. It looks so, that's even more dreamy. Long, large, quiet spaces speak to me. These are beautiful, beautiful flowers. I think I have an idea. So I'm going to, I think I have an idea for that. More really pretty flowers. Let me do that. This is fun. Look at that. So much fun. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm going to have to look those up. Those look good. Okay, and then some more fun stuff. All right, also very fun. Lots going on here, hey? Oh, lots of fun. I like these two. I love that. I might actually just cut this out and stick it one side on my vision board, because I like these colors together. They're really pretty. Some more book pages, and again I think I might just do some staining and then use pieces out of here to maybe make some flowers. I really like that. And then this could be the center of the flower with the darker background, and and then these could be leaves, because there's a bit of a green on it. Lots of ideas. This is always so fun. So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox, and I will eat them in a house, and I will eat them with a mouse, and I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. I remember reading these to my son. So much fun. Oh, this is a classic. All right. And then I liked this little phrase here. It says, give yourself permission to get rid of things you once cherished. Oh, that is such a big challenge for me. I am trying to embrace change, but work in progress, guys. And then it says, emotionally charged possessions can give you continuity and a sense of self. They prove you existed. You've had a life. Almost feels like this message and that message are kind of opposite. I probably lean more closer to this one, but beautiful. And then this is what I thought could be the base of my collage. So I'm going to go and it's also really pretty. Happy place. Let's see. It's right by her feet. That's a nice nice lettering as well. So I'm going to go off and do some fussy cutting, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how I add to this image. I've done all my fussy cutting, so that's great. It's time to assemble. So I've taken this washi off the envelope that Penny sent me, and I'm going to put that at the very top, And I just want to brag a little bit because I have this really awesome bottle with my glue in it, thanks to Penny's generosity and the prize that I won from her birthday challenge giveaway. So I didn't have one, and now I do. I think I'll do it this way. And so I'm very, very excited to start using that. All right, so that is one down like that. And then I'm going to take this little umbrella. Look at that fine glue I can put down. Man, so fancy. All right, she has got a parasol. Then I thought I would give her a hat. I'm going to put that down there. And I fussy cut the hat from this piece of craft paper like that. And now I think I'm going to take the rocking horse, the toy, and get that down into the bottom corner here, just because it's whimsical and it's fun. Down here, use both hands. And on that same page where I got the horse was this lovely pot plant. I'm going to get that down like this. And I think that one little saying that I told you about, the emotionally charged possessions saying, I'm going to put that at the bottom. And Penny has a store. I will link put a link, sorry, for her store in the description of this video. Please go and check it out. There is so many wonderful goodies in her store that they're great for gifts. Really, really great for gifts, especially if you are a crafter. Okay, and then I've got this window, and let's see, I think I put it there. And then I've got, from this craft paper, I cut myself a little frame. Get the little frame down. You know, Penny, I don't know why I didn't buy myself one of these before. Oh my gosh, all these little words. I think I might have lost some of my little words. Let me see. I think there's my eye. I'll put my eye in there. I've got a little phrase that came out of the Dr. Seuss book. I am, there, lots of little bits. Oh, and it's upside down. Let me get, I am here. I am here. I thought I had taken an and out. I don't think I did. I'm here. I think I was supposed to put a little and there. I don't know if I cut that out. I don't think I did. I'll have to put that in later. I am here and anyway. All right, what else did I have? I swear I had something else. Or was that it? That might have been it, guys. I think, let me double check all my little bits and pieces here. I think so. Yep. So I like this. I think once it's nice and dry. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. Let me just close my glue. This cute little, oh, precision. Oh, okay. I'll have to do that just now because I'm all shaky. I wanted to take my Uniposca white pen and just add a little bit. These just seem to sort of disappear into the background, these little leaves. And I thought maybe I could just give them some veining and then they will stand out a little bit more. So that wants to come up all the time. Okay, so there we go. I'll do a little flyby. I'll see what I did with all the wonderful papers that Penny sent me. So I am here, and it'll eventually say and anyway. And then emotionally charged possessions can give you continuity and a sense of self. They prove you existed. you had a life. So did I have that right? Yes. So Penny, thank you so much. These were wonderful papers to work with. I'll go and find that word to fill in there, and I feel like I can probably glue down a couple of other pieces. But this is going to make a great card cover once I have this photocopied and resized for a greeting card. So thank you very, very much. And I will see you all next time. Bye.